Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. If you have multiple devices within the Apple ecosystem, you have a superpower called HandOff. This Apple feature allows you to begin work on one device, such as your iPhone, and seamlessly transfer it to your other device, such as your MacBook, without missing a beat. Make sure all of your devices are signed into the same iCloud account, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on all devices, and to get started, you might have to have your devices connected to a local Wi-Fi network. Check the description below to see a list of all the apps that are available with this feature, along with device requirements. Make sure this setting is turned on for all of your devices. This is under your AirPlay settings. Make sure HandOff is turned on. Within my Mac, I will select my system settings. I will go to AirPlay and HandOff, allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. I'm typing this email and I would really prefer to finish typing this on my computer. Navigate to the right-hand side of your dock to find your application you are trying to hand off. I have my mail application located here with my device in a circle. I also see where it's coming from, mail from my iPhone 16. I will open this up and it will seamlessly pick up my draft email I was composing on my phone on my computer. Now, if I wanted to hand off the mail application from my MacBook to my iPad, I do need to begin editing the email. And then you'll notice on my iPad, I have my mail application with my computer device icon that I can simply select and pick up my draft from my iPad. Now let's say I am about to leave the house and I need to move this mail application back to my phone. I can seamlessly just hand it off. I am going to swipe up from the bottom of my iPhone into the middle. I can simply pick up this email from this handoff icon at the bottom of my screen titled Mail from Jessica's iPad 10. Pro tip, this also works for the universal keyboard. If I'd like to copy this message from my iPhone, I can simply hold down and select copy. And if I go into my MacBook here into a new note and select Command V or paste, it pastes that message. That is how you can turn all of your Apple devices into a seamless workspace. If this saved you time or if you learned something new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our tutorials. My name is Jessica and I will see you in the next video.